The Hinkle Student Resource Center assists students with funding for tuition and textbooks, as well as providing resource support. This support includes food, technology, transportation, emergency needs, and more. On the college's website, on the Hinkle Student Resource Center page, there is an area for student resources as well as community resources. Many of our community partners provide valuable resources to our students, meeting a variety of their needs. For information on our events, please use the Calendar of Events tab on the web page. This is where you can find a list of events taking place on campus. The best way to request assistance from our office is to use the Resource Inquiry feature at the top of the page. This allows you to download a copy of our inquiry form to request assistance for any needs you may be experiencing. Simply fill in your information and what your needs are. The form will come to our team, and we will contact you with the information to get the assistance you need. You are also welcome to stop by our office in the McDowell Student Center Room 175, Student Support. Call us at 734-462-4443 or email us at hinklecenter@schoolcraft.edu. We are here for you, so please let us know how we can assist you and make your educational experience here at Schoolcraft an even better experience.